Do you want to change profile picture on WhatsApp? You can set new profile photo in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your profile picture on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap the three dots icon at the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu appears, select Settings. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the Settings tab at the bottom right of the screen. On the Settings screen, tap on your profile name or photo at the top. Now, tap on Edit below your current profile picture. A menu pop-up will appear with different options. Tap on the camera icon to take a new photo, or select the gallery icon to upload from your device gallery. You can also set an avatar as your profile picture from the avatar option. Here, I am going to set the profile photo by uploading from the device gallery. Select the photo you want to use. Once selected, adjust or crop the picture if needed, then tap Done. Now, your WhatsApp profile picture has been successfully updated and will be visible to others based on your privacy settings.